திரு ஆர்.என். ஸ்ரீனிவாசன் அவர்களின் சாதாரண பங்கு அசாதாரண லாபம் தமிழ் வடிவம் இப்போது கிண்டிலில் கிடைக்கிறது. இந்த புத்தகம் புதிய முதலீட்டாளர்களுக்கு பங்குச் சந்தை பற்றிய ஒரு அறிமுகமாக இருக்கும். இந்த புத்தகத்தை நீங்கள் கிண்டிலில் வாங்க விரும்பினால் வீடியோவின் கீழே இருக்கும் லிங்கை கிளிக் செய்யுங்கள்.
Good evening. Today I want to talk about the Chinese problem. The moment I say there is a Chinese problem, you're going to think about the satellite which went out of control. Well, China thought everything was fine. The rest of the world was waiting with bated breath where the satellite would fall. Finally, luckily for all of us, the satellite fell as debris somewhere in the Indian Ocean and did not hit a place in the earth which was populated. This took us back to childhood when we listened to a commentary in BBC and Voice of America when a spacecraft, Skylab, came into the earth. That was an American rogue satellite. Nearly 3 decades after, a Chinese satellite has done an encore. But today's topic is not about that. Today's topic is far more serious and has a lot of consequences for the world. For the first time, China's population has grown very slowly. They do a survey once a decade, and the recent decade shows that the Chinese population has grown by only 0.5. The fertility level, replacement level is 2.1 per couple. China's fertility rate should be 1 or slightly less than that. This means China is going to have a lot of problems. There is no immediate problem for China. There is going to be continuing growth, continuing prosperity, and normal lifestyle, humdrum of life will keep going on. But the total working age population, that is, number of people who can work with relative to their total population, has come down from 70 in the last survey to 63. What does this mean? That China is going to have lesser and lesser people who work and more people who are going to relax. This has dangerous consequences for the world and not for China. For the last 25 years, US and the West has kept inflation as check because they have been supplied with Chinese labor. This meant that there have been unending supply of goods of all types and hues to West and America from China at very cheap cost because there was a lot of labor. Like all advanced economies do, as the Chinese economy kept growing, progress meant that people had lesser and lesser children, and the state also imposed a one child policy. This meant that 4 sets of grandparents had one child, and this child was called the prince or the princess and was a pampered child. That child is soon going to come to the labor market. What all this implies is that cost of labor in China is going to go up, and it is not going to be to the factory to the world. So that is why you are seeing already textile manufacturing move away from China to Vietnam and Bangladesh. But neither Vietnam nor Bangladesh can produce volume of goods that China did, and therefore there is a limit. This means that the era of the low interest, governments could afford to keep interest rate to zero because inflationary pressures were countered by cheap labor costs from Asia and especially China, where people were whipped into submission with no labor rights. All that is going to be a thing of the past. As the prince and princesses come to the labor market, they are going to find lesser and lesser people to produce goods. So the cost of manufacturing in China, which has steadily gone up over a period of time, will continue to grow. Anecdotal evidence given in Wall Street already says the average middle class and the lower middle class American is already finding the cost of goods very high. Gasoline prices hovering at 70 has made life more difficult. What does this mean? This means that if these trends continue, the era of low interest money is over. That is, US could afford a very low interest return. China supplied goods to America. America bought them used with dollars that were printed, and the treasury bills that created the dollars were kept by China as security. For a period of time, China is going to export less to America, buy less US dollars, and this gold system of liquidity imbalance where Chinese saved more and the Americans saved less is going to end. This means inflation will definitely return to the Western world and interest rates will go up. If interest rates in US and Europe goes up, this means dollars will fly out of emerging markets back into US. This means deflation in emerging markets, including India. This means inflation will return as the rupee and other Asian currencies plummet in value. These are very long term trends. Don't go to the screen and see it tomorrow. But over the next 5 years, this is definitely going to play out. As a part of my political duties, I was looking at the parliamentary records of Tamil Nadu. When I was looking at the parliamentary records, I found out in Tamil Nadu and in Kerala an aging population. When I examined a semi rural constituency in Tamil Nadu, to my surprise, I found that the average age of a voter was between 35 to 45, while I was expecting that 18 to 25 and 25 to 35 will be majority. India, like Nandan Nilekani pointed out many years ago, is a double humped camel as far as population is going. South India is like China, growing faster than North India. Therefore, you are finding less South Indians doing jobs which nobody wants to do. You don't find them in restaurants. You find in Tamil Nadu restaurants being serviced by people from North India. All menial and labor work is today done by North Indians.
During the pandemic, first lockdown, this was proof. When the shutdown happened, all the North Indians.
When the first pandemic struck, everybody, when the roofs shut, then you could see railway stations in Tamil Nadu full of North Indians running away and factories had to be shut. That was the realization for us to know that what is China's problem today is also Tamil Nadu's problem, is also Kerala's problem. The sooner we adjust to that, the better in our state of life is going to be. These trends are mega trends which will play out in the next decade, not today or tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.